All right, 12:15 here on this Friday, TGIF, gearing up for the weekend, and whew, it's going to be a toasty one out there, folks. Get ready. It's already pretty hot out there now, but it's going to get a lot hotter today and over the course of the next couple of days. How about this? A lot of sunshine, barely any cloud cover. And you know when you don't have a lot of clouds this time of year here in New Orleans, it's going to be a sweltering day. And it's already 93 degrees here at lunchtime. Dew point 76. It feels like 105 out there. Now there is a little breeze, so that's kind of nice, but still it's just incredibly hot. If you have to be outside the rest of the afternoon, just please take it easy out there and stay hydrated. We're 91 from Bogalusa and Slidell, 89 Lakefront there over toward Belle Chase, 90 in Galliano. Homa, you're coming into 88 degrees, and you factor in that humidity. It feels like 105 here again, 102 Lakefront, Slidell, and Belle Chase. Bogalusa to Baton Rouge about 101 already, and that number is going to continue to climb out there as we do have this high pressure over the area. High temperatures expected the next couple days, the mid upper 90s. Heat index 108 to 112, and some of you may even be hotter than that as we head into the weekend. Can you think about that? That's ridiculous. Continues the heat into next week, and that heat advisory in effect for the day today for everyone here and into Mississippi, and it does stretch from much of the deep south into Texas as well. So everyone's kind of dealing with the heat. This goes until 10 o'clock locally for us here. So we're going to continue to watch that. Heat advisories will likely be extended into the weekend. Maybe even some excessive heat watches or warnings too. We'll have to wait and see about that. Now we are going to get to about 96, 3 o'clock, 97 this afternoon. And again, the heat index is what the biggest problem is going to be for us. So while we get to 95 in the North Shore and 97 in the South Shore, by the way, would tie the record originally set in 1957 and then matched in 1998. And we could tie it again for the day today. So definitely hot. And by the way, a year ago it was about the same temperature. So this is kind of right on par for that. But the heat index, when it's 110 here, expected 109 and 108 in Slidell, 109 in Belle Chase, that's what's really hot. Now for them to issue a heat advisory, we have to have the heat index at 108 or greater for a number of hours. And then if it's over 112, 113 for a number of hours, that's when you have the excessive heat warning. So at least heat advisory criteria expect to be met today and likely as we get into the weekend too. Now this is 9 a.m. on Saturday. We're up near 100 degrees. We'll be near 110 to 111 to 114 tomorrow. And then even in the evening by 10 o'clock Saturday night, we're still around 100 degrees. And notice that I feel like temperatures don't go below 90 heading into Sunday morning. So by 10 a.m. we're already everyone in the 100s, and we're back around 108 to 112 again on Sunday. So the excessive heat will continue across the area. So that just means take frequent breaks, stay hydrated, wear lightweight, light color clothing, try to get anything done in the morning before it gets too hot out there. Please have enough water, shade, and a cool place for pets. Don't leave them outside in this heat, and always check your back seat. A lot of your schedule's changing for those working from home and going back and forth. Always remember to look in your back seat. Now, perfect weather for a snowball. Maybe two of them out there today. How about that with a high of 97, heat index about 110. I think Patrick needs a snowball this afternoon, so we may have to go find our favorite snowball stand for that. So there's that ridge of high pressure building out of New Mexico into Texas. We're on the eastern edge of it through Sunday. That high continues to build closer to us. That means the heat's going to continue into Tuesday of next week as well. And then on top of that, we've seen maybe a few showers popping up. Nothing locally here. There are some thunderstorms north of Biloxi, Bay St. Louis, and the Gulfport area heading towards Sauget, Mississippi. So they're going to see some rain today, but we'll stay fairly dry here with high pressure south of us. That's what's pumping up all the warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico and keeping our rain chance 10 to 20% through the weekend into next week. Now today I'm not looking at any rain here except for the Mississippi coastal areas. You'll see the showers there. Tomorrow morning fairly quiet. Tomorrow afternoon may see a few storms popping up. Look at this, and you can see the new update just coming in here, 3 o'clock, showing some storms continuing here through 6 p.m. Now if these persist the way it looks like now, we'll see 20% during the day, but during the evening we ramp it up to about 40% or so. These storms will likely be strong to severe with gusty winds, heavy rain, and also a lot of lightning with them as well too. So we'll continue to watch that. And by the way, we're also watching Tropical Storm Faye out here, just about to make landfall in New Jersey. Check this out. It'll make landfall here shortly on Atlantic City, but moving right over New York City. How about that? It's 2020. Why not throw a tropical storm over top of the biggest city in the country? So 98 for the weekend on Election Day tomorrow, and the heat index 108 to 113 continues into next week.